Okay, gonna do it again. I don't know why you guys dig sneezing, but whoa, 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 whoa. It took 9 minutes, roughly, a little over, and I tried it for like a minute and a half prior, so like 10 minutes, and then 10 minutes after the original one, before I actually was not burning, and the sinuses start to uncle. Okay. Chew. It's one of those hardcore. I sneeze pretty good. My aunt does a chi chi, and it's like, what the hell is that? And then when I was in high school, I was walking down the hall and passed a class and was like, "I fuck you!" And I had some friends laugh. Oh my god. So that's two. Let's see if I can get more. These ones are a bit wet. Ooh, that one burns the back of the throat, the back of the nose. Woo. So I might just babble while I do this too, because it's two sneezes. I might have to take some more Cayenne, because I am a sadist, obviously. Obviously. Or an exhibitionist that just has sadistic traits to himself. Oh, that was a murder. So I just submitted for a cowboy movie that's going to be filmed. It's a Coen brother project that's going to be filmed in New Mexico. I can see white stuff in my eyes, and they're getting a little teary. Oh. That is the weirdest sensation. It's like it goes into the sinus and then it opened it up, but it was like tickling at the same time. So it was like, whoa, just on one nostril, and it's burning back there. Oh, shit. Oh. And I'm actually trying to get this. There's something that PewDiePie mentioned about a 11-minute duration on videos that this girl that anyways, it was on one of his videos, and he's kind of reviewing or critiquing hers because she ripped him apart, and she stopped at like 8 minutes but then did like 3 minutes of thumbnails, and he gave her a thumbs up for that and said that ooh, that's that's burning. So I'm wondering if YouTube and the algorithm, like if you have a 9-minute one that's on the same topic, if they push something, because it'd be in their best benefit if they did, because of the watch time aspect, where supposedly they push things in the front with watch time, because 50% of 5 minutes is less than 50% of 11 minutes. Whoa, that one is like a burner, and my eyes are just tearing, and I think that my left eye is just swelling up. It's like I'm doing a Rocky thing. Why am I doing this again? This is just bad. This is bad for me. I finally just cleared it up. It was good. Now, now it's birded. Now it's just birded. Oh, it's funny because it gets to the back of the mucus in the sinuses, and it's like the mucous membranes, and it's, oh, that one's gonna be rough. Woo. Oh my lord, I am a sadist. So I'm trying to get to 11 minutes because the other one got right at 9/11, which is kind of funny. And my laptop's having problems, so it's like it's harder for me to edit, and then also if I edit it, it's not really downloaded, but it goes through that when it merges it, because I can't do it on my phone. I'm just having problems with the laptop, so it should be cleared after tomorrow. But I've only got 2 seasons so far. Oh, there's one coming there. Yeah, here we go. That's 4 altogether. Those are powerful ones. Those ones. 'Cause there was like eyes burning stuff too. Woo, man. So, anyways, I'm trying to go that distance, and anyways, the acting thing came up, and I submitted for it, but it's like they always ask, like, you're a local. I was like, no. That's if you submit them yourself. If your agent does it, it's a bit different, or your manager or whatever. But I didn't want to bother my manager. She hasn't gotten me an audition since I did that full frontal thing, and I don't know why. It might just be the beard. But it's interesting because the Western's starting to kind of make a little bit of a resurgence. And facial hair is big in Westerns. They like dudes with facial hair. So if anybody knows the casting director in Mexico, New Mexico rather, go ahead and put in a good word for me. Her last name is Gable. Oh man, I don't know. I don't know what kind of sadist I am. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, because I can't keep doing these because I'll just. Oh. Okay. That one was like. That was like my. I think my. My God, dude. 2 more and I break it. It's good. That is 9. 1 more and I break it. Oh my God. Oh, now it's doing it to the same thing to the other nostril, where it feels like it's dilating it and then opening it up in the back at the same time. Oh, but I think there might be one coming. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say on this one. My eyes are just wet. Teared up. Okay, if that's 9, I'm at 8 minutes. I've got like 3 minutes to decide to do another key tip. Oh my lorsh. Oh. I'm a trained professional though. I don't know what that means. But okay, so I'm going in for another one. Just because, like I said, exhibitionist, that's just sadistic. Who knew when I was in college this is what I was going to be doing 20 years for then. Oh my Lord. I can't believe how much my eyes are teared up. Oh, this is slightly painful though. But it's like not painful, it's like uncomfortable, and it's like being cramped. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like the feeling when you're full and you go to lay down, you're like, oh shit, this hurts a little bit. This is like, and my eyes are like around my eyes are sweating too. That's just weird. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got like another minute, so try to get 2 more out of this. I'm at 9. Come on. Woo. I think that was going to be the one. Oh my god. Now I'm really burning. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Oh, holy smokes. Now my right nostril is really burning. That's the weirdest feeling though. It's like a tightening and a dilating at the same time. It's really weird. Wow, I don't know if I'm gonna get him out of there. Oh, okay, so I tied it. But this one, the nostrils are burning. It's not just the nostrils; it's a sinus in the back. This one's rougher. Holy lordy, lordy, lordy. Now the back of my throat's burning too. And a lot more this time, but only got about the same amount of sneezes and, got the same amount of sneezes. But the burning ratio is a lot worse on this one. That's for shizzle. I can't do anymore. I tap out, Doc. Oh my lord. I can't believe this. The other one was like a little bad, but this one is like, wow. Wow, wow. See if I can just get one more to break it. No, I ain't gonna do it. Yeah, I ain't gonna do it. Whoa. Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to get it. Okay, I'm tapping out. Maybe I might do another one later, but I doubt it. Man. Woo. This is rough. Pray for me.